Have you ever wanted to play piano? Well, here's an easy tutorial on how to play Hot Cross Buns. But first, we need to go over the basics. The first note is a C, which your thumb belongs on. The second note is a D, which your index finger belongs on. The third note is an E, which your middle finger belongs on. The fourth note is an F, which your ring finger belongs on. And the fifth note is a G, which your pinky belongs on. These are the three notes you'll need for Hot Cross Buns: E, D, and C. First, you'll play EDC twice. Then you'll play C 3 times and D 3 times. Finally, you'll play EDC. Here's the song in full.